pretty girl. Look. You gotta look so we can see you. Look, get the ball. Come here. Come here, girl. What are you doing?
Can you tell when Roxy's barking?
Oh, I haven't heard.
Huh?
Come here, pretty girl.
Most of the barking you hear is Roxy. I'm gonna be down there visiting some dogs in the last pen.
Okay. Pretty girl. What are you doing? Too much to smell, huh? Come here. Come here, girl. You better come and see me. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? So I'm just checking everything out. Such a pretty girl. Yeah, that's a pretty girl. Oh, you're gonna sit in my lap.